I'm back with another video. Today, we're going to be asking random girls, can they blow me? And what I mean by blow is this. But we're going to see their reactions. Hopefully, they don't hang up on me so I can see their full reaction. And 1K subscribers by the end of 2018. Let's get it. Yeah.
Hey.
Okay, you at Tom? Did y'all ever blow a boy before?
What?
Did y'all ever blow a boy before?
Did we? I mean, I have.
You have?
Me? Yeah.
How was it? It was nice?
I guess.
So, y'all trying to blow me?
Well, where do you live?
Oh. I live in Philly.
Me? We live in Charlotte.
Charlotte? Alright, I could take a plane there. Alright, you wanna know what I mean by blow?
Sure.
I'm talking about this.
Boy, if you don't...
Well, like, y'all really was down, too. She was down. She really was down. Okay.
She was too.
Damn!
Oh, snap. Oh, y'all some freak boy. Oh. Alright, I see. Add me as a friend. Alright. Be right back. Your boy up to something. Smooth boy. Nicole, 17 from Indiana. Yo. Can you add Tom? I got a question for you. Can I get your honest,
Duh.
Alright.
I'm not to lie to you.
Alright. Did you ever blow a boy before a day in your life?
No.
No? Are you thinking about it?
No.
So, if you would happen to do it, would you do it to me? Answer the...
Okay. To be honest, if we was like together, if we knew each other like that, then probably yeah.
Woohoo!
Okay. Wait, add me as a friend. Alright, where you from?
Indianapolis.
Indianapolis. Alright, so like, I'm gonna show you what I mean by blow. I'm talking about this blow right here. Like, see, like, yeah. I mean, it both work, but like, I don't know.
Blow.
Yeah, blow dryer, blow. Alright, I'm gonna hit you up. Oh my god! Oh wow!
Oh my god! Wow!
We gotta
Yo,
go there for at least 2 hours first.
can you add Tom?
Hey. Oh, we can't hear you.
Can you add Tom?
Oh.
Alright, so,
Good.
did y'all ever blow a boy before?
Have you ever what?
Blow a boy.
Yes, boys and girls.
Damn!
Oh. So like, if you knew me, would you blow me?
Maybe. Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
It depends on how you act.
How I gotta act?
You just gotta act a certain way.
So,
We'll let you know.
So you do a good job?
Maybe. Maybe you should ask around to find out.
Okay. Oh, who should I ask?
You can ask me, but I'm over here to see.
I get the drip from my wall.
Oh. Alright, I'm talking about like,
Yeah, that's not
blow dryer.
Why the fuck you lying?
Yeah, alright.
no. Type stuff. No.
Oh, okay. Very inappropriate. I should have reported her. Yeah. Can you add Tom?
Yeah.
Alright, so can you answer this question with all honesty?
What?
Can you answer this question with all honesty?
Yes.
If I was in the room you in right now, would you blow me?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't know you.
But what if I did know you?
Probably not. Still.
Alexa, play Lucid Dreams by Juice WRLD. So, why is that? Like, I don't have a chance?
No.
Oh no. No, 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 no.
Dang. Alright, man.
Why?
So, can I blow you?
What?
What?
Like, would you let me blow you?
No.
I was talking about this blow. But, you know, I didn't have a chance, you know?
Bitch, see your way out.
Alright, watch this.
Guess what? Guess what? It's older than you see. I told you. Guess what? I'm only busting it open for a good one.
You had nothing to bust
Are you
open.
gonna be that one?
He has nothing to bust open. You gotta think about that, right? You gotta think about it. Caitlin from North Carolina, she's 17.
What's up?
What's up? Can you add Tom? Did y'all ever blow a boy before?
No.
No. Are you willing to?
No.
Why not?
You from Pennsylvania. I'm from Franklin. It's just not gonna work out.
So you saying if I was from where you from, it would work out?
Maybe.
Maybe. So you saying you will blow me? That's what you're saying.
Wait, what?
So you saying you will blow me?
I'm not saying I would. I'm just saying maybe.
Maybe. Okay, okay. Alright, this is what I mean by blow.
Boy, if you don't.
Jada, 15 from Mississippi. Yeah.
Whoa.
Can you add Tom? Yo, I got a question for you. Did you ever blow a boy before?
No.
No. You thinking
What?
about it? No. So like say if you would you blow me? Yeah. Okay, okay.
He got home.
No, no. I'm loyal. I'm the loyalest boy you know.
He low as shit. Shut the fuck up, Jay.
Wait, add me as a friend.
Fuck out of here.
So when you trying to blow me? Huh? Alright, this is what I mean by blow. Talking about that blow.
Hell no. I am done.
Oh my gosh, that. But I could take a picture, you know. Via 16 from Iowa. Yeah.
Hey.
Can you add Tom? So
How old are you?
I'm 16. How old are you?
15.
15. Alright, so like, if you knew me, right, would you blow me?
What?
If you knew me, would you blow me?
I don't know.
You don't know? How don't you?
I don't know.
How don't you know?
Cause I don't know. Like,
I don't know. I don't know.
I don't know you like that.
So if you knew me, would you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, okay. Alright, so before I go, I wanna let you know that I'm talking about this girl. But I mean, the way you're thinking too, I'm okay with it, you know. Just hit me up. Adios, man.
Hey.
What's up? Can you write Tom? Alright, so if I was in the room with y'all right now, would y'all blow me?
Wait, what? No. What happened?
One more. That's it. I just need one more. Stephanie from Colorado. She's 16. Yeah.
What's up?
Can you wait, Tom? Alright, so did either one of y'all ever blow a boy before?
Blow?
Yeah.
Me?
You?
Us two.
How long ago was this?
Like what? Last month. Like yeah.
Last month?
Last month.
Okay, okay. So if y'all knew me, would you blow me?
Yes.
My nigga.
Okay, okay. Why is that?
Cause you feel good.
Wait, add Tom. So y'all do a good job at it?
Wait, what?
Y'all do a good job at it?
Yeah, you're, like...
Can I see an example?
What?
Can I see an example?
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
You see that?
Uh-huh.
Use that. This.
Alright, that's the end of the video. This girl is not cooperating with me today. But that's it. We shooting for 1K subscribers by the end of 2018. Let's get it.
On the real, you know I got you. We can vibe on an all time. Bless a nigga, he get out of line. Do anything to protect mine. And baby girl, you respect the grind. And all these niggas don't get out.